Guys, we are at the Pet Expo at the Blaisdell. It's about to open. There is a long line outside to get in. But this is our booth, the Hawaiian Feathered Friends Network. We got all sorts of parrot toys, accessories, apparel, toys for the kiddos or anyone. We got the birds. You guys can come take pictures with these birds. We're here till 5 today, and tomorrow we're here till 4 p.m. Come support a cause, come say hi, come take pictures with the birds. All right, bye. Guys, day one is a wrap for the Hawai'i Pet Expo at the Blaisdell. We are closing up for the day. We will be back tomorrow until 4 p.m. It is the final day of the Hawai'i Pet Expo. The birds are ready to go home. They're like, get me out of here. No, I'm joking. They had fun. The birds have fun. We all have fun. And come out tomorrow and support. I'll see you guys. Bye.
Helicopter, helicopter.
He was fine until he heard this.
Day 2 of the Hawai'i Pet Expo is done, you guys. We are about to close in like 5 minutes. I wanted to show you guys what we still have left. We still have a bunch of parrot toys, bird toys for sale and available. We have all type of bird-related stationery, stickers, Lego kits, stickers, little pouches, pens, and all kinds. We even got gibbets for your crocs. We got tree stands available if you're interested. Let us know. We even got apparel representing our parrot club, tote bags, and bigger toys available. We have purchase. If you're looking for a certain size or length, let us know. We can customize them. And that is it. Pet Expo 2026 comes to an end. If you guys are interested in any of these toys or tree stands, purchase anything, let Hawaiian Feathered Friends know. I will tag them down below. All right, see you guys next year. Bye.